I'm going to play the role of Skipper Frank. Brave, cunning, good-looking. I look good in this dress, don't I?
Okay, settle down. Okay, we're children.
And you know what you ever heard of the joke of what you call an alligator in a vest?
No, what do you call an alligator in the vest?
An investigator!
That joke was for the bird, Sage, but luckily, toucan. Wow. Toucan play at that game.
You know it wasn't funny.
Yes, it was. Look, she's smiling. Don't point. Well, if you're going to be Skipper Frank, then I shall be the intelligent and resourceful Skipper Lily.
All right, should we do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right.
Welcome
to the business of what we all
to
are in. My name is Skipper Frank, and I'll be your guide. Hey, I'm talking to my passengers here. Hey, don't do that. Do what? Cut it out. Okay. I know we're trying to push off from the docks here on our Jungle River cruise, but it seems like we're having a failure to communicate.
I'll say, the one is fully ready to embark on our adventure. My amazing passengers have already pulled up the anchor, right, guys? Yeah. Lacey, use your arms, pull up the anchor. Faster, faster. Okay, the anchor's not that long. We're still docked.
Well, first of all, Skipper Lily, my boat is already ready to go because we've already started the outboard engine. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Sound a little rusty right there.
Don't worry about that. See, we're ready to head off onto the Jungle River cruise first.
Well, Team Wallaby Wanda disagrees.
You know why we should head off first? Because the Aardvark Annie is a faster boat than yours.
He said faster boat. I'm sorry, you're just full of jokes today. The Wallaby Wanda is the speediest boat in the jungle. Beats Snow-Q in a race.
A race? Are you kidding? A race? What a great idea. My crew against yours, right?
Dispatch the skipper. Come in, skipper.
This is Skipper Lily.
Skipper, there's a rumor going around the docks that you're planning a riverboat race along the most dangerous stretches of the jungle waterways. Is that true?
Yes?
That's a capital idea. A proper river race must have some ground rules. Listen closely, adventurers. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the world-famous jungle cruise race. Your skipper is about to guide your boat down the treacherous jungle rivers, where you'll have to make some story choices and complete some physical activities in order to get ahead of the other boats. For each successful challenge completed, your skipper will give your group a waypoint marker on that board. Make a wrong choice, and it's no waypoint for you. The boat with the most waypoints at the end of the journey wins the race. A word of advice, listen closely to your skippers. Only by working together as a team will your boat cross the finish line first. Ready, skippers?
Team Wallaby Wanda, are you ready?
Team Aardvark Annie, are you ready? We're ready, Miss Lance.
Excellent. Now count down. When I say go, I want to hear both teams make the loudest engine sounds they can.
All right, Team Aardvark Annie, let's make it real loud. Here we go, hit it, hit it. We're heading deep into the jungle where it rains about some 365 days a year.
Feel that mist on your faces! Don't worry. That's only the source of the opioid cordyceps unilaterals. Perfume for you. You know, I can turn a next ants into a zombie colony in less than a week. This cruise is only 20
worries, folks. That's why we always travel with the doctor. Is there a doctor on board? No. Hey! You got a doctor over there?
Do we have a doctor?
Okay.
No worries, everybody. I happen to be all aboard certified. Laugh. Thank you. Now, on your left, you see the most confused creatures in the jungle. Tourists. Whatever you do, do not feed them. They have an insatiable appetite for free soft-serve ice cream.
Well, look at that. We've come to a fork in the river.
It's moving really fast.
I know. This is where our boats go their separate ways. So don't worry. We'll meet up again.
Well, we're headed up here a while. I know a few shortcuts that will get us to the end faster than you.
Well, I know the damn busy better than anybody, like the back of my hand. It's totally faster route.
We'll see about that. See you on the other side, Skipper Frank.
See you on the other side, Skipper Lily. Say bye, Skipper Lily.
Bye, tourists. All right, everybody. I thought we'd never get away from this guys. Well, today is your lucky day because not only am I the best skipper this side of the Congo, I know the Irrawaddy better than anyone. And speaking of the Irrawaddy, it looks like our first challenge on the river is coming up now. The Rapids.
Orlando. Never been there. Where you from? Oh, I won't try. I just asked where you from. I ain't asked your name. Well, where you from? Mexico. Oh, I've been there. That's nice. Where you from? North Carolina. What's your name? Amy. Never heard of it. All right, folks. Now, as we're heading deep into the jungle, we're going to come upon some obstacles. Are you ready to help me with the task? Okay. Now, it looks like we're heading into our first obstacle course here. Oh, no. It looks like we're hitting the small pit.
Smooth but mysterious, like the choice is yours, Frank. What do you want to do? Like, shortcut! All right, shortcut, here we go! Woo! Oh no! That's not part of the shortcut. All right. It's quiet. And there's one too quiet. Oh no! You know, piranhas are some of the smartest creatures in the jungle. Do you know why? Because they're always in school. Don't laugh! Don't move! Be as still as possible. Achoo! Oh no! We're getting swarmed! We gotta get out here! Okay, look! Everyone turn around! And make the motor come to get out here, ready? 3, 2, 1! Okay, we made it!
Everybody,
lean to the right. That's okay. We'll get somebody to help you, okay?
There we go.
All right, everybody, go to your side.
There we go.
Now, as we proceed in the jungle, I want to point out some of my favorite plants. That one. Ooh, and that one. I'll talk about that one.
Rock.
Excuse me, Chris. All right, I'm ready. I'm the one that's right here for me. All right. Now, are we all ready for the 8th wonder of the world? Drum roll, please. Lacey, you think this wonderful? Wonderful. All right, everybody, let's head back to look and win this race.
Use your hips. There you go. Come on. All right, this is jungle cruise, not jungle boat. Keep it moving. Come on, let's go. I can go around. There you go, my man. There we go. Come on. Come on, right. Let's go a little bit right here. Stand up. You please don't pass this right here. There you go. Come on in. Come on in. There we go. We move in there. Ooh, this is nice. A little hot. All right. Now, folks, I present to you the 8th wonder of the world is magnificent. The backside of fading water. Yeah, and a nice spot. I know everybody say, ooh. There we go. All right. Yep. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. You see all the photos you get? All right. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm telling you, that water just sparkles. Oh. All right, please get comfortable. We have a little bit more ways to go. Come on, Rob. Help me out. Oh. Hey, give it up for our diamond and Rob. Good. There we go. All right, folks. All right, hit the engines for me, please. All right. Let's get deeper into the jungle. We're heading to a place where most adventurers would never go. But there's one famous one that has been there many times, and that is Indiana Jones. Have you ever heard of it? Yeah, there you go. Now, we're coming upon one of these most famous discoveries, the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Now, legend has it that the Eye of Mara, which is an immense jewel of power, is located near this temple. Look! Everybody look to your left. The Eye of Mara. Everybody say, wow. It's so red, isn't it? Okay. Yes, all right, now. As we have these lily pads that are getting ready to float into the water, I need one volunteer from the group. See, I knew you would help me because, you know, you're a competitor to a what? To a fall. All right, go ahead and tell everyone your name. You did get it. Molly, everyone get up for Molly here. All right, now Molly, successfully jumping on these lily pads. All right. And the little ones, let's say how many points? Okay, so I have how many times here? You got it. That will successfully get us enough weight for us that we can to keep you at the boat. I believe that, but we don't know. So we got to get it right. How many times? The first time. That's right. Are you up for the tapes? All right. Everyone, cheer on it out. Get me out of the car. Yep, little cats and little things. You gotta get that. But don't neglect these little ones here. That's their children. Okay? All right? Woo! Just be mindful. That's all. You know, you don't have no time to do this. Is not the price is right. You got it. All right, ready? Go! Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, right? There we go. There we go. Yep. Hey. Not like, there we go. Thank you so much. Oh, she got it.
Yeah, well, everybody can stand, and then we'll walk. Let me get through.
Yep.
Perfect. You can stand and walk forward.
There you go. Not too much now. Now we're heading upon these booby traps right here. You see them on your left. And I have some people. Get them in. You do good. Walk good. Alright, give me engine for me one more time. Here we go. We moving out. Whoa. Yeah, this is good right here. Let's see how this goes. Hi, Skipper Lily. Everybody say hi, Skipper Lily.
Hi, lady people. Sure. Okay, well, looks like we got back to the tax segment. I don't know, sometime, but the real winner is the team that got the most sway points.
Oh, okay. I like that. Yeah. Well, we want to see who has the most weight points.
Yes, we will.
We've been to the temple of the forbidden eye. Back up, back up. Stay on your boat, stay on your boat. And we get those booby traps. What you got? What you got?
That's nothing but deep-faced, bloodthirsty piranhas. Hungry, hungry hippos. And yeah, also a booby trap.
Yeah, nothing like our slugs. Okay.
Dispatch the skippers. Dispatch the skippers. Come in, skippers.
We hear you, dispatch.
Well done, skippers. You both led your river boats bravely through the jungle. Do we have a winner?